Hey, Tyler, since Thanksgiving Day is coming and 99% of restaurant and diners are closing, do you want to go to Western Joe's Diner?
Yes.
Okay, let's go to Western Joe's Diner at 5 p.m. sharp.
Okay. Wait, Mr. Campos, what are you doing here at Western Joe's Diner at 4:50 p.m. 6810 Western Pacific Highway number 7 Fast Turn, Santa Monica, California?
I'm eating dinner here.
Okay, nice meeting you again.
5 p.m. going to Western Joe's Diner for dinner.
Mom, did you saw my teacher?
I sure did, and he showed me your progress reports, which is due on November 20th, 2025 at 4 p.m. and I asked him to print it out to be sent home.
Oh, he did.
Your first period is in B+, which is a 14.75%. Second period is in B, which is in 10.26%. Third period is in C, which is a 1.6%. Fourth period is in C, which is in 0.6%. Fifth period is a D+, which is a 1.5%. And at last, sixth period is an A, which is in 2.5. So overall your GPA for progress report is in 2.15 GPA.
Okay, now let's have dinner.
Later that night, AT home, 7:45 p.m. What does 6-7 mean for kids 2025? Google AI generated, 6-7 is a basketball player that is 6 feet and 7 tall. Now I'm going to create an podcast channel. Thank you for watching 24/7 Live podcast channel, signing out.
AMR, CAMPOS House.
Hello, Mr. Kano. I meant Mr. Campos.
Hey Tyler.
Campos, what time is it?
It is currently 3:30 p.m.
You are my favorite person.
That's nice to hear that, Tyler.
Later, AT school.
Alright class, take out your chapter 5. Ancient of Italy.
Mr. Campos.
Yes, Tyler.
Can I have my phone back?
No, he had took it up to the principal office and for pick up and also 5 days of detention. Room number is 28. That is not my fault. You should not be using your phone in class. Just because it's almost the end of the day of school.
Later, AT home, 3:30 p.m. Tyler Knopf, you were grounded for using your phone in class.
But Mom.
No, this is my house, my rules. You were grounded. Go to your room now. I will take your phone away forever. Until next year.
Remember, do not use your phone in school. It's school district policy.